Your front door is the first line of defense against potential intruders and the gateway to your home's security. If your door is old, damaged, or lacks modern security features, it may be time to consider a professional door replacement. In Colombia, upgrading to a high-quality, professionally installed door can significantly enhance the safety and aesthetic appeal of your home. Here's why investing in a new door is a smart decision for homeowners in Colombia. Why door security matters. A weak or outdated door can be an easy target for burglars. Many break-ins occur because intruders exploit vulnerabilities in worn-out doors, faulty locks, or outdated materials. A professional door replacement ensures that your entryway is equipped with modern security features such as reinforced frames and hinges to withstand forced entry, heavy-duty locks and deadbolts for added security, durable materials like steel or solid wood that are resistant to break-ins, advanced technology such as smart locks and keyless entry systems for enhanced control. Upgrading to a high-security door provides peace of mind, knowing your family and belongings are better protected. Signs it's time to replace your door. How do you know if your door needs replacing? Look out for these common signs. Visible damage such as cracks, dents, or warping. Drafts and air leaks that affect your home's energy efficiency. Difficulty locking or unlocking due to misalignment or wear and tear. Outdated aesthetics that don't match your home's style. Noticeable wear around the frame or hinges, indicating potential security risks. If you've noticed any of these issues, it may be time to consider a professional door replacement. The benefits of professional door replacement. Replacing your door with the help of a professional installer comes with multiple benefits. Enhanced security. Professional door replacements include reinforced frames, stronger locks, and impact-resistant materials that deter intruders. Colombia homeowners can choose doors with multi-point locking systems and smart security features to ensure maximum protection. Improved energy efficiency. A properly installed new door helps seal gaps and prevent drafts, reducing energy loss. Many modern doors come with insulation that improves thermal efficiency, lowering heating and cooling costs year-round. Increased curb appeal. Your front door plays a key role in your home's appearance. A stylish, well-maintained door enhances curb appeal and increases property value. Whether you prefer classic wood, sleek metal, or contemporary fiberglass, a new door can transform your home's exterior. Better functionality. A new door eliminates frustrating issues like sticking, warping, or misalignment. With smooth operation and a secure fit, you'll enjoy convenience and durability for years to come. Customization option. Its professional door replacement services offer a variety of options tailored to your preferences. You can choose different colors, finishes, glass inserts, and hardware to match your home's design and security needs. Choosing the right door for your home. When selecting a new door, consider these factors. Material. Steel doors provide maximum security, Fiberglass doors offer durability with low maintenance, and solid wood doors deliver timeless elegance. Locking mechanisms. Opt for doors with high-quality deadbolts, multi-point locks, or smart lock integration. Weather resistance. Colombia's climate can be unpredictable, so choose a door designed to withstand humidity, rain, and temperature changes. Professional installation. Hiring a skilled contractor ensures proper alignment, security, and long-term performance. Work with a trusted professional in Colombia. Investing in a professional door replacement is a significant step towards securing your home. In Colombia, local experts specialize in high-quality installations, ensuring your new door meets security and energy efficiency standards. A professional installation guarantees that your door is fitted correctly, eliminating vulnerabilities and extending its lifespan. Final thought. A professional door replacement is one of the most effective ways to boost your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. By choosing a durable, high-quality door and working with a trusted installation expert, Colombia homeowners can enjoy enhanced protection and long-term benefits. Don't wait until security becomes a concern. Upgrade your door today for a safer and more stylish home.